Hey everybody, this is Christine. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, welcome. If you're revisiting, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some more drone fun. This is, I think, video number 3 on my drone series. This is just wanting to let you know that this is a beginning for me. I'm still in the beginning stages. So just wanted to put that out there. So if you got anybody out here that is watching, if you haven't subscribed, you can do so below, because as of January 17th, I will be doing more traveling. So as of today, it's still December of 2020. I am trying to practice as much as I can to get this down packed within about 3 weeks, so that when I go out on the road, I can download the app and start using the camera on the drone and taking pictures and videos from there. So I'm going to reintroduce myself to this drone today. I did do a Facebook Live yesterday on this for about 10 minutes, and it was about the same time frame. So if you see me shadowed, it's because I have to do that so I can see the camera, so you guys can see the actual footage of the drone. So hopefully you stay with me. It's a lot of fun doing this. If you guys do not know what a drone is, please look it up. It is very much of a, to me, it's a safe entertainment, and it's very economical. So here we go. Turn this one on now. And as I get more experience with this, I will be able to, like I said, take more footage. But for right now, this is just practice. Alright, come on. Come on, you're fully charged. Come on, connect. Alright, it wasn't connecting, so I'm going to try this again. They're both on. And like I said, I do have a Facebook page, and I have been on it with it. So here we go. Come on, connect. There you go. It started going way too high. Whoa! That's funny. And that's what the protectors are for. Yep, that's what the protectors are for things like that. And for people like me that really don't know how to fly this thing yet. Alright, here we go. I just have to make sure I keep it up in the air. I think I have it on fast mode. I think I have it. I might have it on fast mode, which is not a good thing. Alright, let's try over here in this flat base. Even the birds are laughing at me. Wow. Okay, it was getting too close to the fence. I wonder where that's coming from. Oh, now you decide to stop. Uh-huh. Alright. Let's bring this back. Like I said, that's what the protective covers are for. And this is raw footage. This isn't even being edited. Alright, here we go. Come on, connect. Come on. Alright. Try this one more time for liftoff. I have to keep myself in the shadow because I can't see the phone and it at the same time. Alright, that's perfect. Holy crap, man. I don't even have it on fast mode. That's the thing that's really surprising. Oh, at least I still have the legs. Alright, let's try this again. Well, of course, you know, since I'm in a controlled atmosphere with fences and everything, it takes more to control it and more of me to coordinate it. This thing is so touchy. God, can't believe how touchy this thing is. Alright, it's stuck on something. Jesus. But at least you see how challenging this entertainment can be. How challenging this entertainment can be. I don't know if you heard me the first time. Much better. Alright, so one of these are kind of bent. I think I'm gonna have to re-screw it in. But it works for now, and I know it's because it was up in the tree. Don't back out of the video, it's getting better. Sometimes I forget that I have to follow it with the camera. Woo! Woo, you're not going on the roof now. Alright, let's try that one more time. Getting better. Ooh, I had to do that because it was about to get on the roof. Alright, well there it goes. So I think I'm going to call it a day with this thing now. But at least you got to see how it works. And of course, like I said, I still have the screw. Can't see it in there, but the screws are already still in there. So all I have to do is screw it back in. And there's no damage. No damage whatsoever. So as you can see, that was a lot of fun. It takes a lot to coordinate and maneuver this kind of machine. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got a couple laughs out of it. My dog's like going crazy wanting out so bad. Hi, Dinge. The last time that I did the drone before the recording, she was following it and biting at it and actually made it knock over once. So I decided that I'm going to start putting her inside when I do this. And at least I got about 10 minutes worth of sun. This is her favorite pastime, is sitting out in the sun. So hopefully one day, very soon, I will be able to take her to a beach and let her dig, because she's not a digger, but I have a feeling that she would dig and then sit in her own little hole. So, but anywho, I will go ahead and end this video for now. And like I said, please subscribe below if you haven't already. There's plenty more to come, and I will have in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, it depends on my coordination, on actually being able to video some of the areas that I will be traveling in about 3 weeks. Yes, correction, 3 weeks. So like I said, I'll be able to download the app and use the camera as I get better so that I don't lose the drone. So that'll be it for today. Again, it was a lot of fun. Thanks so much for hanging out. Please click the like button and subscribe, like I said, if you haven't below. So, all right, until next time, take care, stay safe, and ciao for now.